Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix delayed messages in WhatsApp. So first thing that you will do is go ahead and go to Google Play Store over here on your phone, guys. And now from here, just tap on the search bar in the middle down below and search for WhatsApp over here at the top. And now from here, guys, for the first solution is make sure you have the latest version on your device. And when it has an update, you should be able to tap on update over here. So instead of open, you should be able to see here update. And another thing is tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and make sure it is enabled as auto update so you won't have any problem. So now next option that you have or next solution, just simply go ahead and go to the settings on your device. And from here, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply go for WhatsApp over here. So it will be W. So from here, tap on WhatsApp. And after that, just simply go to storage. And from here, just simply tap on clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue when you launch the app. And now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do is just simply go ahead and tap on the back at the top left corner of the screen. And now you should be able to see here in the middle uninstall. So tap on uninstall over here, guys. And from here, guys, make sure to keep your data so your messages won't disappear. And now tap on OK. And from here, just simply uninstall the app. And after that, just simply go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store. And from here, guys, just simply install it back again into your device. And you should be able to fix the issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.